Hey, wild urban gardeners. I'm going to call this video Trying to Fix My Mistakes. So early in the spring, I had white onion seeds from seeds that I had saved, and I just tossed them all down in a row, and I honestly didn't know if any of them grow, and there were a lot of them. So as you can see, they kind of came in like grass, and they're getting kind of heavily weeded in. So what I've been doing is I am digging them up, separating them out the weeds, and I'm doing something that I learned from another YouTuber, which was to plant them in bunches. Charles Dowding, he is a no-dig gardener, absolutely amazing, and so he grows a lot of these things in bunches. So I've taken them, I've separated them into little bunches so that they're not lonely, and I've replanted them. So we're going to check back in a couple of days and see if I did okay, if they're still alive, and hopefully they're still thriving. So take care, my wild ones. Love y'all. Bye.